Artificial intelligence and society. Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is one of the most powerful forces shaping our modern world. It refers to the ability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing faces, making decisions, solving problems, and even creating art. AI has become part of our daily lives, whether we realize it or not. From smartphones that understand our voice commands to social media algorithms that recommend what we should watch or read, artificial intelligence is quietly influencing how we live, think, and interact with each other. The relationship between artificial intelligence and society is complex. On one hand, AI offers incredible benefits. It makes life easier, work faster, and decisions smarter. On the other hand, it raises serious questions about privacy, employment, ethics, and the future of humanity. Understanding this relationship helps us see both the opportunities and risks that come with the rise of intelligent machines. One of the greatest advantages of artificial intelligence is its ability to process huge amounts of information very quickly. For example, in healthcare, AI systems can analyze thousands of medical images in seconds, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer at early stages. In education, AI can personalize learning by understanding each student's strengths and weaknesses, offering lessons that fit their individual pace. In agriculture, smart machines can predict weather patterns, improve irrigation, and detect plant diseases. These innovations have the potential to make societies more efficient, healthy, and productive. However, AI also brings new challenges. One major concern is the loss of jobs due to automation. Machines and algorithms can now perform many tasks that were once done by humans, from manufacturing and customer service to accounting and transportation. For instance, self-driving vehicles could replace millions of drivers, and AI-powered chatbots could replace customer support agents. While new jobs will also emerge in technology fields, not everyone will be able to adapt quickly. This creates inequality between those who have the skills to work with AI and those who do not. Sociologists call this a technological divide, where access to technology determines economic and social opportunities. Another important issue is privacy. Every time we use a smartphone, search the internet, or post on social media, AI systems collect and analyze our data. This data is used to predict our behavior, recommend products, or even influence our opinions. For example, political campaigns have used AI-driven advertisements to target voters based on their online activity. This raises ethical questions about manipulation and freedom of thought. Should machines be allowed to know so much about us? Who owns our personal data? These are pressing questions that societies must address to protect individual rights in the age of AI. Bias in artificial intelligence is another serious concern. AI systems learn from data provided by humans, and if that data contains social biases, the AI will repeat them. For example, if an AI hiring program is trained using data from a company that has historically favored men over women, the system may continue to select male candidates more often. Similarly, facial recognition systems have been found to misidentify people of certain racial or ethnic backgrounds more frequently than others. This shows that AI is not neutral, it reflects the values and prejudices of the society that creates it. Sociologists and technologists must work together to ensure that AI promotes fairness rather than reinforcing inequality. AI also has deep psychological and cultural effects. Social media algorithms, for example, are designed to keep users engaged for as long as possible. They show us content we like or agree with, which creates echo chambers where people only see opinions similar to their own. This can lead to polarization, misinformation, and even social division. People start living in digital bubbles that reinforce their beliefs and isolate them from others. Sociologically, this affects how communities form, how politics work, and how people understand truth itself. Another area where artificial intelligence influences society is in surveillance and security. Governments and corporations use AI-powered cameras and software to monitor public spaces, track behavior, and identify individuals. While these technologies can help prevent crime and terrorism, they can also lead to excessive control and loss of freedom. A society under constant surveillance can become fearful and less open as people begin to censor their behavior, knowing they are being watched. Balancing safety and privacy is one of the biggest challenges of our time. In addition, artificial intelligence changes the meaning of human creativity and identity. AI can now write essays, compose music, paint artworks, and even generate human-like conversations. This raises philosophical questions about what it means to be creative or intelligent. If machines can do everything humans can do, what makes us unique? Some thinkers argue that creativity still requires emotion, purpose, and moral understanding, qualities that machines do not truly possess. Others believe that AI may help humans unlock new forms of creativity by working alongside us. There is also an economic dimension to AI's impact on society. Wealth and power are becoming concentrated in the hands of a few large technology companies that control artificial intelligence systems and the data they rely on. These companies have enormous influence over what people see, buy, and believe. This has created a new form of power inequality where digital monopolies can shape global politics and culture. Governments and international organizations are now discussing how to regulate AI to ensure that its benefits are shared more equally across society. Artificial intelligence also challenges the way we think about morality and responsibility. If an autonomous car causes an accident, who is responsible, the driver, the manufacturer, or the software developer? If an AI system makes a biased decision, can it be held accountable? These questions show that as machines become more capable, humans must rethink the rules of justice and ethics in a world where decisions are no longer made solely by people. At the same time, AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest problems. It can help fight climate change by optimizing energy use, predicting natural disasters, and managing resources efficiently. It can support scientific research by analyzing data faster than humans ever could. It can improve governance, healthcare, and education if used responsibly. The real challenge lies in using this powerful technology for the common good rather than for narrow interests or profit. In the end, artificial intelligence is not just a technological revolution, it is a social revolution. It changes how we work, learn, love, and live together. It can either deepen inequality and control or create a more just and intelligent society. The outcome depends on how we choose to use it. As citizens, we must demand transparency, fairness, and ethics in artificial intelligence development. As a society, we must prepare ourselves for an age where human and machine intelligence coexist. If you enjoyed learning about the relationship between artificial intelligence and society and want to explore more about how technology shapes our world, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational and thought-provoking content.